Hello, welcome back to the channel Cybersecurity Nation. Your free ethical hacking guide continues with day 14. In our last video, we looked at the scanning process in ethical hacking. We saw vulnerable machines and the phase, and we discussed difference between information gathering and scanning. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to download and install a vulnerable machine that you can use for your ethical hacking. So if you've not already watched the last video, we talked about how to install kalilinux. The link is on the top screen. Make sure you watch that video and you will see how you can install your Kali Linux machine. So today, let's see how to download and install Metasploitable for Kali Linux Labs. To begin, we must understand that for any aspiring ethical hacker or cybersecurity professional, the golden rule is simple. Never test your skills on a network you don't own. This is where a penetration testing lab becomes your most valuable asset. To master the art of exploitation, you need a target, a system intentionally designed with security holes. In the word of cybersecurity training, Metasploitable is the undisputed king of vulnerable virtual machines. In this guide, we will walk you through finding the best vulnerable machines and provide a detailed installation guide for Metasploitable 2. So let's start going to google.com. So what we want to do here is download, making sure we download from a trusted source. So you may ask why you need a pen test lab. This is because pen test lab allows you to simulate real world attacks in a sandbox environment and use tools like Kali Linux, a parrot against targets like Metasploitable, helps you understand how vulnerabilities are discovered, how exploit payloads are delivered, how to pivot through a network, how to patch systems effectively. So let's make sure we download from a trusted source. Search cybersecurity.nation.com, hacking lab. Press the enter key. So you see, click the first link, cybersecurity.nation.com. And you see the categories, click ethical hacking here. And you see, if you've not already watched or learned how to install the VirtualBox and Kali Linux, this link will be helpful in our YouTube video. It's the course, it's also there. So today we're interested in how to download and install Metasploitable for Kali Linux. Click this link. So here you see the guide, step-by-step guide. What is Metasploitable, system requirements, and how to install Kali Linux. Click this link. Download the Metasploitable from. Do not download from untrusted third-party sites. Use the official source. This is this download link. Click the link to download. And here it takes you to this web page, sourceforge.net, which is a trusted link to download the Metasploitable. You'd see the Metasploitable here. Click that zip file, click to download it. And now it says your download will start shortly. So this depends on the speed of your internet. So once the download is complete, open your Oracle VirtualBox. Now let's see how we can install our vulnerable lab the same way we've installed kalilinux. Open up your Oracle VirtualBox Manager or VMware, depends on what virtualization machine you're using. Click New. Now that our download is complete, is a .zip file. I right click this to extract it and then select extract all. Here depends on where you like to extract your file to. This shouldn't take long, so once it's done extracting, I have it here. So these are the files inside. This is our hard disk, the virtual disk format. So now let's proceed. The same way we've installed Kali Linux is the same way we're going to install our vulnerable machine. Click New. You can name it whatever you want. I will choose to call my Metasploitable lab. So next, select Linux. So we're going to select Other Linux, 64 bits. Specify virtual hardware. Recommended is 512 MB. If you don't have enough RAM, you can even decide to leave it 256. But since my RAM is 16 GB, I'll leave it at 512. Number of CPUs, leave it. Next, the most important step is the virtual hard disk size. For the virtual hard disk, do not create a new virtual hard disk. Select the option Use an existing virtual hard disk file. So here, click on this folder. Once you're here, select Add. Look for where you've downloaded your... I set my desktop. I downloaded my Metasploitable on my desktop. Click the folder. Now this file, this blue icon, is what you want to select. Is your hard disk. Click Open. So this is the one I'm using, 8 GB, metasploitable.vmdk. Once you're done, click Choose and then Finish. So your Metasploitable lab has been set up. Next, click Start. Note that it doesn't have a graphic user interface, unlike the Kali Linux, because it is a command line machine. We can only use terminal command. So while you were downloading, in the download page, you would realize they've mentioned you see the default login and password is msf admin and msf admin. So this is the login and password. So let's wait for the installation to complete. It doesn't require you to do anything. So now we've prompted for our Metasploitable login. As I've already shown you, it's msf admin. Click enter and the password is msf admin. So we're in. So one more thing, our machine is set up and ready to be attacked. We have to select the settings. Next, on the Metasploitable lab, navigate to the settings, click settings, then network settings. Change this from the adapter one from attached to, and from NAT to bridge adapter. So the reason is this makes our Metasploitable IP address belong to the IP range of our host network. After selecting this option, select your adapter, then click OK to commit changes. So that's it. Our Metasploitable is set and is running. So we are ready to complete our scanning on the next lesson. Just a quick one. If you can't find your mouse on Metasploitable, just click the control and click inside. It will release your mouse. If you have any comments, you have anything to add to this video, please leave them in the comments section. And also, we'll leave a link in our description box for the download link to the Metasploitable and other important links. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next video.